Hello everyone, welcome to Prakat. Let's start the video. We are going to discuss at the end of this series what you would be able to create. तो हमने इसमें एक इमेज जनरेशन AI powered application create करा है, right? So let's open the Visual Studio Code and run it. So let's open our website. Need to log in. मैंने ऑलरेडी साइन अप कर रखा है तो हम डायरेक्टली लॉग इन कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी द प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर द अमेज. कॉपी कर लेंगे एंड पेस्ट कर देंगे, राइट? सो अकॉर्डिंगली हम अमेज हाउ वी वांट टू क्रिएट, if you want fast, balanced or high quality, as we increase the quality of the image, right, it will take more time to complete, so we can just go with the balanced and submit. It's generating our image, right? It will be shown there. Alright, this is the image we have and we can just download it, right? So just save image. We can save it there, right? Can say image 1 and it would save there, right? Alright guys, hope you will like the video and share and subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.